In this episode, we are going to show you the inside of a forward-facing balcony on the Carnival Mardi Gras. That's coming up. Okay, we are going to take you inside of cabin 10204. Let's go check it out. It's beautiful inside. You come in, and we'll actually cover the closets here in just a minute, but let's come in and look at, we have a nice king-size bed. And also there are, on either sides of the bed, there are little storage shelves, as well as a reading light. And then you come in and you've got your TV in front of your bed. And you have a very nice big vanity area, which I absolutely love. And one of the new features on the Carnival Mardi Gras is this big mirror with this lit up area. It's just really, really nice. Got 3 plug-in chargers and 4 USB connectors, which is fabulous. Another thing that Carnival has added on the Mardi Gras is they have these pull-out Ottoman storage, which is great for some extra stuff, shoes, whatever you want to throw in there. And also makes for a nice little seat when you're putting on your makeup. Then we have some drawers here. You've got your hair dryer there. And then we have, over here we have a couch that will convert into a bed. And let's go ahead and take you outside and look at the balcony area. All right, come on out. So this is going to be your balcony area. And what a view you're going to have. Simply gorgeous. Alright, so let's go back inside. We'll check out the bathrooms and some more storage spaces. Those doors are heavy. Alright, we're going to look at the bathroom first. Pretty standard bathroom. But what you will notice is that we got rid of the shower curtains, and the Carnival Mardi Gras now has glass doors for the shower, which is wonderful. Now let's check out this closet storage that we have here. You can get in there to see. So there's one closet, good amount of storage. And then we got closet number 2, which will hold your safe. And Mardi Gras cabins also have these nice pull-out shelves, which make it fabulous for shoes or anything like that. So we have that. All right, we have shown you a balcony cabin on the forward of the ship.
So this is a super room. The balcony was a lot more spacious than I would have imagined to be. So the views there are going to be just so good. And now if you notice, it has that little glass piece that is behind the chairs. That's so when you open that door, you can open the door. Because if you've been on the front of a ship, you know how that wind can be sort of whipping. So it allows to get in and out, but then you can step to the front side, take in that breeze, beautiful views, all these amenities that's standard here on the Mardi Gras, and then a little bit bigger here in this room than maybe some others. But hey, it's super, and you're gonna love it.